How to use Allianz Disability Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Disability Insurance in Australia is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Many policyholders make costly mistakes. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some Allianz policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you with partial or no benefits. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time before benefits start. A longer waiting period lowers premiums but leaves you financially exposed. A shorter period increases premiums but gives faster protection. Balancing this with your savings and expenses is essential. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Your policy should reflect your income, living expenses, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may seem affordable, but can leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. Allianz offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Skipping these can reduce long-term protection and flexibility. Finally, inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. Allianz requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Allianz Disability Insurance Australia can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.